Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I hope all of you are fine. Children, have you had your breakfast today? Have you had your breakfast? Yes. What do you eat today morning? What do you eat today morning? Yes, some are eat dosha. Yes, some are eat chapati. Some are in Italy. Okay? Did you take bath today? Children? Did you take bath today? Yes. Children, we should take bath regularly. All students should take bath regularly. That is the good for our health. Okay? Have you done your homework? Children? Have you done your homework? Yes. What we studied in the last class? Yes, result. What you studied in the last class? What we studied in the last class? Do you remember that? Children, do you remember that? Yes. Light and shadow. Light and shadow, first one. Man-made source of light, natural source of light, sight and light, images of objects, and changes of states, etc. Yes, now I ask some questions. Children are ready? Okay. Now addition. Which are the man-made source of light? Now just stand up and say, which are the man-made source of light? Say loudly. Once again, say loudly. Yes. Sit down. Which are the man-made source of light? All students say. Yes. Torch, bulb, candle, etc. Which are the man-made source of light? Once again, all students say loudly. Yes. Torch, bulb, candle, etc. Then, diya, standard. Which are the natural sources of light? Which are the natural sources of light? You will answer. Yes, say loudly. Yes. Sit down. Which are the natural sources of light? Yes. Sun, moon, stars, lightning, etc. What are they? Sun, moon, stars, lightning, etc. All students say loudly that answer. Yes. All students can understand about natural source of light and man-made source of light? Children, do you have any doubt about source of light? Yes. How can we see objects? Till that. How can we see objects? Say loudly. What is the answer? Once again you say loudly. Till that. How can we see objects? Let's sit down. Light which falls on an object from the sun or other sources get reflected from the object. Once again I said, light which falls on an object from the sun or other sources get reflected from the object. When this reflected light falls on your eyes, we see that objects. When this reflected light falls on your eyes, we see that objects. What do you notice when you observe the back of broken mirror? Yes, if you say that answer. Yes. Sit down. There is a coating at the back of mirror. There is a coating at the back of mirror. This coating reflecting the surface. Okay. Compare the images in the inner side and outer side of the steel plate. Afnan, what is the answer? What do you observe? The inner side and outer side of the steel plate. What can you observe? The image is the inner side is shrunk. Shrunk means churungiyad. Shrunk and outer side is magnified. Okay?
Children, today we are going to discuss about passing light through materials. Passing light through materials. Collect the following objects. Collect the following objects: plastic sheet, X-ray film, rubber sheet, a tile, color paper, cellophane, white paper, a glass plate, a lens and a mirror. Lens and a mirror. Allow light from a torch to pass through each object. Which objects allow light to pass through them? Which object do not pass? Means passing light through materials. Passing light through materials. They are X-ray film, cellophane, a glass plate, a lens. Objects that do not allow light to pass through: plastic sheet, white paper, a mirror, rubber sheet and tile. Once again I say, which objects that allow light to pass through: X-ray films, cellophane, a glass plate and a lens. Objects that do not allow light to pass through: plastic sheet, white paper, a mirror, rubber sheet and tile. All students can understand about passing light through materials and do not passing light through materials. Next I say about play with shadows. Play with shadows. Switch off the lights in your study room. Light a candle and place it on the table, or you can use a lighted torch. Make shadows of different animals or birds on the wall using your hands and fingers. Can you see these pictures? Make shadows of different animals or birds on the wall using your hands and fingers. Measure your image. Measure your image. Have you observed your own shadow while playing in the sun? Children, have you observed your own shadow while playing? When is the shadow very long? Do you know? When is your shadow very long? Yes, at the sunset and at the sunrise. Means morning and evening. When it is very short? When it is very short, children? Yes, at noon. At noon, shadow is very short. When is it in front of you? When is it in front of you? Yes, when the sun is behind us. Your shadow in front of you. When is shadow at your back? When is shadow at your back? Yes, when the sun is in front of you. When the sun is in front of you, your shadow at your back. Shadows change their size with respect to the position of the sun. Shadows change their size with respect to the position of the sun. Children, how do shadows change their size? How do shadows change their size? Yes, shadows change their size with respect to the position of the sun. Sun's position അനുസരിച്ച്. The length of the shadow is a direct measure of time. The length of the shadow. Length of the shadow is a direct measure of time in the good old times. in the good old times. When watches were not popular, people used to assess time by measuring the length of shadow. People used to assess time by measuring the length of shadow. When watches were not popular means when watches were not popular, people used to assess time, or people used to know time by measuring the length of the shadow. Now I say about position of sun and length of shadow. Position of sun and length of shadow. Now I say some examples. Position of sun and length of shadow. Position of sun, sunrise, length of shadow, infinite. Sun moves from east to top, decreasing length, length of shadow, decreasing length. Position of sun, sun right above, 0, very short. Then sun moves towards west, increasing length, sunset, infinite. Time can be empirically assessed by observing the length of the shadow. Time can be empirically assessed by observing the length of the shadow. Children, take your EVS notebook and write this homework. First one, which are the objects allow light to pass through them? Second one, which are the objects that does not allow light to pass through them? Let's draw the picture of a tree and its shadow at different times: 7 a.m., 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. Draw the picture of a tree in your collection book. Okay? We discuss about new chapter. Chapter 20, our national symbols. Our national symbols. What is the name of next lesson? Our national symbols. Children, look at the school assembly. The students are taking pledge. Children, do you know our pledge? Do you know our pledge? Who knows our pledge? Please hands up. Yes, very good. Hands down. All students stand up. Say pledge together. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Sit down. We are Indians. We are Indians. We love our country and respect our national symbols. We love our country and respect our national symbols. Our national symbols are national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, national animal, national bird and national flower. They are symbols not only of our unity but also of our freedom. National symbols not only of our unity but also of our freedom. It is our duty to respect them. It is our duty to respect them. Children, which are our national symbols? Yes, national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national song, national animal, national bird and national flower. What do we understand by national symbols? What do we understand by national symbols? Yes, the symbols of our unity and freedom. The symbols not only of our unity but also of our freedom means the symbols of our unity and freedom. Next, we discuss about the national flag. Children, can you see national flag? Can you make a model of the national flag? Yes, national flag is rectangular in shape. The ratio of its length and breadth is 3:2. The flag is divided horizontally into 3 equal parts. The flag is divided horizontally into 3 equal parts. They are saffron, white and green. What are the 3 colors of national flag? Saffron, pure white and dark green. The topmost part is of deep saffron color. The topmost part is of deep saffron color. It is a symbol of sacrifice. The middle part is pure white. Sacrifice. The middle part is sacrifice. Pure white. Can you see? The middle part is pure white. It stands for truth and peace. Pure white stands for truth and peace. Do you know Malayalam mean truth? Yes. സത്യത്തിൻ്റെയും സമാധാനത്തിൻ്റെയും. So then the lowest part is dark green. The lowest part is dark green. It represents prosperity. It represents prosperity. What is the meaning of prosperity? Samriddhi. Have you noticed the wheel at the center, children? Can you see the wheel at the center? Yes. How many spokes does it have? What is its color? What is the color of wheel? There is a circular wheel or chakra with 24 spokes in the center of the white part in blue color. How many spokes does it have? 24 spokes in the center of the white part in the blue color. The chakra of the national flag is taken from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. The chakra of the national flag is taken from the Ashoka pillar at Sarnath. It is the symbol of dharma and progress. What is the symbol of chakra? Yes, it is the symbol of dharma and progress. Children, on which day do we host our national flag? Do you know? On which day do we host our national flag? Yes, Independence Day and Republic Day. Once again I say, what is the ratio of the national flag? What is the ratio of the national flag? Yes, 3:2. The topmost part is deep saffron color. It is a symbol of sacrifice. The middle part is pure white. It stands for truth and peace. The lowest part is dark green. It represents prosperity. All students can understand about the national flag. Do you have any doubt? Yes. Now I give some homework for you. Write in your EVS notebook. First one, which are our national symbols? Which are our national symbols? Second one, what do we understand by national symbols? Last one, what does the 3 colors of flag mean? What does the 3 colors of flag mean? Now I wind up this class. I hope you can understand this class. If you have any doubt, you can ask through WhatsApp. Thank you.